guys, I'm Laura. Today I'd like to introduce a Dongfeng 3-axle dump truck.
This classic dump truck is 7,795 mm long, 2,550 mm wide, and 3,330 mm high. The engine is a Cummins C280 33 models. The transmission is manual 8-speed. The tire is 11R20 and comes with a spare tire. The wheelbase of the truck is 4.5 meters. The front axle wheelbase is 1,990 millimeters. The rear axle wheelbase is double 1,926 millimeters. The tank volume is 300 liters. The off-road capacity of this truck is also excellent. The total mass of this truck is 25 tons and the unlading mass is 11 tons. The cargo box is 5 meters long, 2.3 meters wide, and 1 meter high. It is single-bar straight-top structure. It can carry loose goods such as sand, soil, coal, and so on. Dump trucks use engine power to drive a hydraulic lifting mechanism to tilt the trunk for unloading. Guardrails were installed in front of the cab and on the sides of the vehicle. Increased safety while driving. Well, that's it for this 3-axle dump truck.
See you next time. Bye bye.